how to assemble an Holdon XTRA clip onto a tarp material. Open the clip maximum by simply pushing the wedge in with the thumb. Apply the clip to the tarp material and push the wedge in firmly using both hands. Once pushed in, the wedge will press the tarp to the sleeve, and by pulling on the cord you will increase the tension. Now, how to disassemble the clip. You simply grab with a finger on the back side. You apply the thumb on the back of the wedge and the other hand on the back side and the thumb on the top here, and you push the wedge out.